The truth about AI taking your job: artificial intelligence is going to take your job. You have probably heard this. But the full picture is far more nuanced than that headline. Here is what is actually happening. AI is automating specific tasks, not entire jobs. A data analyst's job involves collecting data, cleaning it, analyzing it, and telling a story with it. AI can help with the first two steps. The analysis, interpretation, and communication still require a human. The World Economic Forum has consistently found that AI creates more roles than it eliminates. New job categories emerge with every technological shift. The internet did not eliminate jobs. It created entirely new industries. AI is doing the same. What AI does replace are repetitive, rules-based tasks. If your entire role consists of doing the same thing the same way every day, that is a risk. But roles that involve judgment, creativity, communication, and problem-solving are not going away. The real risk is not AI taking your job. The real risk is someone who knows how to use AI taking your job. The professionals who are thriving right now are those who treat AI as a tool that amplifies their output. Learn how AI works. Learn how to use AI tools in your field. That is the career move that matters.